Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW X5 door handle. First, gather all your essential tools. You will need a Torx 20 screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a set of plastic trim removal tools. Before touching anything, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery for safety. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical issues as you proceed with the repair. Now, let us begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. Start with any decorative trim pieces, often located near the window switch, using your plastic trim tools. Next, locate and remove all hidden Torx fasteners, usually behind the trim and inside the armrest pocket. Once all screws are out, gently pry the panel away, releasing the clips. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cable before completely setting the panel aside. With the door panel off, you can now access the door handle carrier. You will typically find two Torx 25 screws holding it in place. Remove these carefully. Gently slide the entire old door handle assembly out from the door frame. Now, take your new replacement handle and connect any existing wiring or cables securely. Then, carefully position the new handle assembly into its housing, ensuring it sits perfectly flush with the door's exterior. Now, reattach the two Torx 25 screws to secure the new handle carrier firmly. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable to the interior door panel. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and press it firmly into place until all clips engage. Reinstall all the Torx fasteners you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery, test the new handle, and verify all window and lock functions work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.